Hello friends, welcome to our channel BDS Vlogs. Today we are going to discuss about classifications of FPD. The main important classifications of FPD, there are three major classes, three divisions and four subdivisions. Generally, three major classes. Class 1, posterior edentulous spaces. Now, coming to posterior edentulous spaces, there is a missing of premolar and molar teeth only. And anterior edentulous spaces comes under class 2. Class 2 means involving canines and incisors. Class 3, antero-posterior edentulous spaces. Both anteriors and posteriors missing comes under class 3. Then coming to divisions. Division 1, cantilever FPD. Division 2, conventional FPD. Division 3, parabutment. Here, one term we have to learn, that is parabutment. Parabutment means abutment present between two edentulous areas, which is capable of supporting the FPD. Now coming to subdivisions. Subdivision 1, ideal abutment tooth is divided as subdivision 1. Means ideal tooth means no periodontal problems, no conservative problems, and every healthy tooth able to bear occlusal load, all will come under ideal abutment. Subdivision 2, tilted abutment. Tilted abutment means, see, long axis of the tooth lies like this in this tooth, but in this tooth it is tilted. Okay. Coming to subdivision 3 and subdivision 4. Subdivision 3 is periodontally weak abutment, means periodontium does not support the tooth structure and occlusal load taken by the tooth will not equally distributed to the surrounding structures. And coming to subdivision 4, subdivision 4 is extensively damaged abutment which cannot be restored. Now coming to subdivision 5, that is implant supported abutment. There is a edentulous span but there is no other option, we have to go for implant abutment. Then other systems of classifications, FPDs can also be classified as depends upon the type of connector. Fixed partial denture, fixed removable partial denture, removable fixed partial denture. Next, based on types of materials used, all metal, all ceramic, metal ceramic, then all acrylic, ceramic veneers, acrylic veneers. Based on length of this span, it is divided into short span and long span bridges. Here span means number of edentulous units. Coming to duration of uses. Based on duration of use, it is divided as permanent fixed partial denture, long span, that is interim process, periodontally weak abutment, splints. And coming to based on type of abutment, it is divided into normal abutment, cantilever abutment, pier abutment, and mesially tilted abutment. Mesially tilted abutment again divided into mesial half crown and telescopic crown, and endodontically treated abutment depending on the amount of remaining tooth structure. Now based on core materials, plastic core materials, under the plastic core materials we will get amalgam, composite GIC, and pin retained amalgam. And post core materials will get custom made post, prefabricated for post, periodontally weak tooth, resin bonded bridges, fiber reinforced bridges, and splints. Coming to bridges which require minimal preparation, micro retention and macro retention. Thank you guys for listening our video. Please like, share and subscribe and press bell icon for new notifications.